How can I enhance my high cheekbones?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to discuss an interesting topic: how to enhance your high cheekbones. Whether you have naturally high cheekbones that you'd like to highlight, or you're looking to create the illusion of higher cheekbones, we have some tips and tricks that can help. Remember, the goal is not to change your features, but rather to accentuate what you already have.
Understanding your face structure.
Before we dive into the makeup techniques, let's talk a bit about face structures. High cheekbones are typically regarded as a sign of beauty, and they're a defining feature of many models and actors. They're characterized by the widest part of the face being nearly in line with the eyes, giving the face a diamond or heart shape.
Makeup tools needed.
To enhance your high cheekbones, you'll need some specific makeup tools. 1. A contour palette. This should include a darker shade for shadowing and a lighter shade for highlighting. 2. Blush. Choose a color that complements your skin tone. 3. Highlighter. This can be liquid, cream, or powder, depending on your preference. 4. Makeup brushes. You'll need a contour brush, a blush brush, and a highlighter brush.
Steps to enhance high cheekbones.
Now let's move on to the actual makeup application. Step 1. Contouring first, you'll use the darker shade in your contour palette to create a shadow under your cheekbones. This makes them look even more pronounced. To do this, suck in your cheeks and apply the contouring shade in the hollows of your cheeks, blending upwards towards your ears. Step 2. Blushing next, apply blush on the apples of your cheeks. Smile to make them more prominent and sweep the blush upwards towards the top of your ears. This adds a healthy flush of color and helps accentuate the high points of your face. Step 3. Highlighting. Finally, apply highlighter on the highest points of your cheeks, where the light naturally hits. This makes your cheekbones stand out even more. You can also add a little highlighter under your brow bone and on the inner corner of your eyes for an extra glow. And that's it. Remember that the most important thing is to embrace your unique features and to use makeup as a tool to enhance your natural beauty, rather than to try and fit into a specific beauty standard. I hope you found these tips helpful, and I'm excited to see you show off your enhanced high cheekbones.